Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about types of motion. So let's start our video. Before we are going to discuss types of motion, let's discuss motion. Motion is the change of position of an object with respect to time. For example, a book falling off a table, water flowing from the tap is the example of motion. Even the air that we breathe exhibits motion. So everything in the universe is in state of motion. Now, types of motion. Basically, there are three types of motion. The first one is translatory motion, the second one is oscillatory motion, the third one is vibratory motion, and the fourth one is rotatory motion. Further, translatory motion is divided into three categories: rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, and random motion. So, now we'll discuss these types one by one. The first type is translatory motion. Translatory motion occurs when an object moves from one location to another location. Entire object moves in the same direction. For example, a car moving along a straight road. Similarly, a person walking from one place to another is the example of translatory motion. Translatory motion further divided into three categories: rectilinear, curvilinear, and random motion. Let's discuss the types of translatory motion. The first type is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion is a motion along a straight line. For example, a train moving on a straight track is the example of rectilinear motion. Similarly, the second type is curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion is the motion along a curved path. For example, a car taking a turn on a curved road is the example of curvilinear motion. And the third type of translatory motion is random motion. Random motion occurs when an object moves in an unpredictable manner with no specific path or pattern. For example, the motion of dust particles in the air. Similarly, the motion of molecules in a gas is the example of random motion. Now, the second type of the motion is rotatory motion. Rotatory motion occurs when an object spins. For example, the earth rotating around its own axis, a spinning top, and the motion of a fan is the example of rotatory motion. The third type of the motion is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a type of repetitive motion in which an object moves back and forth about a fixed point or position, often called the mean or equilibrium position. For example, a pendulum swinging back and forth, and a motion of a swing is the example of oscillatory motion. Now, the fourth and the last type of the motion is vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is a type of motion in which an object moves back and forth rapidly about a fixed position. It is a specific type of oscillatory motion. For example, the vibratory motion of a tuning fork and the vibration of a mobile phone. So these are the types of motion. In the next video, we will discuss about scalars and vectors. So don't forget to watch and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.